Hello guys, this is Sudarshan here and today I'll be teaching you a basic 3D Max modeling. So you can start with me. Can you hear my voice? Sorry if my voice is not good. So let's start with the basic 3D Max. So now I'll show you this is the 3D Max viewport. It's the full viewport. Okay. So here are the views. Like this is the perspective view, front view, top view and left view. So I used Maya before software which is very user friendly. The keyboard is good. Sorry, keyboard is means it's a shortcut is nice. So I'm just changing the settings to Maya. You can do it. So let's start with our customize preference. Okay, interaction mode is Maya, so I'll just change to Maya. So okay, now here the keyboard shortcuts are like space. When you click on a window, just click on space like this, that will pop up. So like front view, top view, left view, this one. You can also go with this one, like here also you have. Here you can go with the cameras. If you have a camera, you can go for the camera, and these all the views: top, bottom, front, back, left and right. So these are views. So let's show some other shortcuts. So here are the window. In this window you will see like basic shapes. Here are some basic shapes. Normally we use standard primitives for starting. So you can click on one object here, box. Here you can just use the mouse right button to click here, hold it and drag, leave it, and just move the mouse up and just click one more time right button like this. So here is a box. Then click the right button. No, click the left button. I'm confused, sorry for that. Click the left button to release. Now you can see this X mark, you should release, or else it will go on doing the box. It will not leave it. Just click the left button to escape. So it's gone. You can set the box size for your, if you need a perfect size, just go to this. Here is a modification of this box. Click on this box. So you'll get these sizes here. So here are the size. Oh man, sorry for that. I have stopped the display. Sorry for that. 1 minute. It's my first live stream. I did not know that I have stopped the display. Sorry. I'll delete the objects. I'll start with a new box. Sorry for that. Is it? Oh, wait. 1 minute, I'll just check in my this one. Okay, it's coming. Okay, now it's coming. Okay, sorry for that. This is sorry, this is my first video. Okay, so let's start. 1 minute. I'm using a mobile camera, so the camera quality is not clear. So let's this is the viewport. So here are the things. This is the perspective view, and this is the front, this is top, and this is left. So these are the 4 views, and you can normally I'm using Maya shortcut keys, so I'm just trying to change the keys here. You can use the 3D Max also, but I prefer Maya keys. So let's go to the settings. Here you can go to the interaction mode. Here a lot of settings are there. Just go to the interactive mode, and there you can select Maya. Normally there will be 3D Max. Just go to Maya. Okay, this is my shortcut keys. Now it will work. So this is the perspective view, front view, top and left view. If you click space on any of the views, it will highlight like this, like this, like this. Just space for that. Go space, front, top, space, like this. Simple. Okay, this is simple. So when you create any object, it will be showing in this panel. Here all the objects will highlight, and basic shapes you can get it from this window. Here to create, there is a plus button. If you click on plus, there will be a object types like box, spheres, cylinders, etc. So there is other settings here. You can go with this later. So let's start with the standards. Standards, just go with the box first. Click on box. Okay, 1 minute. I will press space on this perspective. Okay. Click on right click, then drag, leave the button, then again drag up, click again, right click. Understood? Sorry for that. Click, right click, hold it like that, just drag, leave the button, drag up, click. So there is only 2 clicks. Again, click, drag, leave it, move up, click. So only 2 clicks. That's it. So to release this, that X plus symbol, just click on the left button to view. So now your mouse is visible. So you can click on any object like this. So the setting of this box are in this window. Here is the modification, modify box. So you can set the size, whatever size you want. Here the sizes are there: length, width, height. Okay, here you can set like 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Oh, where is my, sorry for this, my keyboard is not good. I'll bring a new keyboard soon. Oh man, sorry. So this is simple actually, you can learn it. Just go on with me. I will try to upload daily videos. So click on the box. I'll delete this box. You can just click on delete to delete the extras box, like delete, click delete. So now I'll just try 20, 20. What's problem in my keyboard? 20. Okay, so okay, I think num block is off. I was using that one. 20, 20, 20. So, okay, this is a 20, 20, 20. Now to rotate it, just hold Alt, then right button like this, right, and just move it like this. You can drag. This is the rotate option. Alt and right click. Okay, and if you roll the mouse, hold the mouse ball, you can just zoom in, up and down. Hold Alt and press mouse wheel and just drag. This is a drag option. Okay, drag, zoom and rotate. For rotate, you should use Alt and right click and drag. You should click, you should not click the mouse. So hold Alt and right click and can rotate it. And Alt and middle mouse button press. You can drag. You can even zoom in with the left button. Is press on Alt, click on the left button, and you can like zoom like this, or you can just roll the mouse ball, it will work. But this is a precise zoom, like if you want on this much, you can like zoom in like this. Okay, So this is the square box. So you can go from here, you can just select any of the views if you want, like left view, perspective view, which is the one which I used before. This is perspective view, and this is like all the views are there. This is orthographic view. It will be like the camera that will look like a flat. So it will look like this. Uh, Something like this. It's a little bit flat, but normally I go with perspective view. You can just press space and go anywhere like this faster. Okay, this is perspective view. And one more thing is F. You can press F to zoom. If you select one object, press F, it will zoom to your viewport. For example, if there is many objects like this, there are so many objects. So if you click on this, zoom, wait, F, click it, zoom. And if you click this, you can zoom. Here you can see all the objects are here. Click, zoom. You can go from here also, zoom. You should press F to zoom it. And always try to rename objects when you are doing a modeling, like to get to know which object is which. This is simple here. You can just rename here. Same thing, like left click, rename anything you want. I have a mouse, I have a keyboard problem. When I click like this, it will jump. See, there is something fishy going. Like there's something rolling. Okay, it's okay. I'll try to fix this. I'll try to fix it. Okay, now this is the object. So object have three parts. This is called a flat face is called polygon. The edges are called edges, and these points there will be dots. Okay, that dots we call it as vertex. So let's see. So this is just a box. Now we should edit it, so we should convert it to polygon. I normally use polygon, so just go with the polygon. So you can go like this, left click, and here there is convert to mesh, polygon, and etc. patches and nerves. I normally use polygon, so this is a polygon like this. So you don't see any difference, but now you can edit it. Like if I open this one, oh, there are vertex, edges, borders that I'll show you later, polygon, and elements. Elements means it will select full object. Polygon means it will select only the faces, and border, if there is a hole, it will select only the border, not the edge. Edge, it will select all the edge, and vertex. So in here, in standards, not standards, default shades. Here you can switch on this edge face so that you can see the edges like this. But go to the edge face and select on this edge face. So here is the edge face. So here we can select vertex B. So here is vertex selection. So one more thing I forgot to mention before that is how to move the object on the scene. So there are tools here like select, rotate, and scale. Select, it will highlight like this. So the 3D space will have x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, like going up, z, y, and x, three sides. So it's a 3D space. You can select on any axis, like Z, you can move up, Y, Y, X. You can make it all 0 here. It will go to the position where it was before. 0, go to the center of the grid. This is called the grid. So it's like this. Here you can see other things like faces. It's nothing different. Rounded box, it will like box type, means it will, even if the object is small, it will take the round of that like square size. And with the clay, if you work with the clay texture type, you can see the shapes or shades it is in this clearly without any distraction, like this. Okay. And one more is the wireframe. It's transparent wireframe. You can see all the dots, inner dots, everything like this. All the dots. Okay. If you don't want to select this back dots which is not visible, here is the setting in here. There is called ignore back facing. So it should work. If you click on this, if you select this much, it will not select the inner vertex. This is good for heavy mesh. When you select on top, it may select on the back side, and when you edit it, everything will be messed up because you will be looking at only the front part and the back part will be changing even when you are moving it. So be careful. This is the main thing. If you click on this, it will ignore back faces. Okay. Now here you can just start editing it. Click on the vertex and you can just move like this, up, Y and X. Always don't click on center position and move, because this will be not even in your control. It will go anywhere in the space. So for precise movement, just go with the X or like this together, Y and Z, so it will not go in the other direction like X direction. So prefer like this, okay. So now we are editing it. I'll change it to clay view so you can see all the views. See how it looks. You can edit anywhere you can go. This is called the vertex. Okay, this is called the vertex, like this. And this is edge. So this is edge. So you can move the edge like this, moving the edges. Next comes the polygon. Polygon is this face. Click on the face. This is the faces which we call as polygon. You will move the entire flat faces. So next will be like, I'll delete the faces, then you come towards the border. Here border, it will not select anything. It will select only the object, only the edges where there is a hollow. To delete, just select on face and delete it, so there is a hollow. So now this will work. See, it's working. So it will select only the edges, edge part. Now if you want to fill, you can fill it with the border selected. You can go down here, this edge and border, edit borders, and here there's cap. If you click on this, it will create a cap for this, so the hole is filled like this. So next come like rotate. This one, this is the rotate option. Let's go with the polygon. So I'm selecting polygon. See, this is the axis. go with this, this, and this. Color are given for it. Colors are there. Z, Y, and X. Don't go with this one, outer ring. It will rotate based on your viewport. So if you rotate like this, it's rotating like this. So it's not good. Sometimes you may need, based on the viewport, if you want to rotate, you can just rotate like this, like this. Okay, you can do it, but better to do it like with the axis rotation. It's like control is there, what rotation you want, like this, like this. Play with it and you will get the control on this part, everything. Then comes the scale. Scale, you can just click on the mid section and scale it. It will be like this. It's called scaling. You can go with Y. Here Y will work only for like this. It will make everything flat to the Y axis. X, sorry, my keyboard problem. X, like X. Okay, this is X axis. You can see it? You can't see it. It's looking like a pyramid, but not in a good shape. It's okay. Due to thunderstorm, the pyramid is twisted. Very bad. It's okay. You can do it. Okay, then what's next? Okay, this is the shortcut key for X. This one, selection, rotation, and scale. You can go with the X, no, W for selection, and E for rotation, and R for scale, like this. And one more is like Q. Q is the thing like your selection will be gone. This will be safer when you select objects from backs. When you select the vertex. What happens when you select vertex? If selection is in move tool, and if you try to select and by mistake when you select one more thing, it may move that's a decide. So better you go with the Q button. It will select nothing, means it will it will not move anything. So you can just move here and you can just select all the vertex, anything in the viewport, sorry, viewport. So nothing will be moving like this. And one more thing, if you want to select multiple vertex like single, you can just hold shift and just select all the vertex, like which vertex you want to move or edit. You can just select it. Sorry for that. Shift, like this. Okay, let's check some other objects. I'll delete this one. Okay, I'll do one pyramid here. What is this? Edit. So we can go with this, and I'll show you a shortcut. Means I'll teach you a menu toolbox, so you can just go in there and click on this polygon. It will be easier for you. Like here I have created a sidebar, so here I did the option like change to polygon. Same method, this I'll teach you in the next part of video. So this is convert to edit poly. Same thing will happen here. Don't need to go like this and search and go into this. You can just create a box here and it's done. Simple term. Okay, so this polygon, and what I say, I'll do a pyramid. There is already a pyramid in this 3DMax, so but still I'll teach you. You can just go with the vertex, select all, Let's go to scale. Shortcut key for scale is R. I rarely use because I normally go here, here, yes, the habit. Sorry for that. Slow. Okay. And the pyramid. This is the pyramid. Is it? Yeah, it's a pyramid. Simple, right? It's very simple. Okay, let's go with other things like here is sphere. This is a sphere. Settings are here for spheres. This is the sphere radius, like it will know it's the segment, how many lines you want. Try to keep it low because you can edit it later and make it smooth. So better you go with less polygon first in the sphere, or else it will be very hard to edit it. Okay, then okay, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Let's start with other things. Here are other things like cylinder is there. Same thing, 2 clicks, like you did a square. Just click, right click, drag, give the click, move the cursor up, and you can click it. There's the cylinder. Same thing, other things are there. A lot of things are there. Just go in with the report and just create it. You get the idea. All settings are here. Teapot. Teapot. You want a tea? Tea, 1 minute. Sorry, my mom is calling. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. And this is a basic start of this video, 3DMax, and we can go on with it. Okay, let's start. Thanks guys, and try to subscribe. Sorry. Okay, it's afternoon and I have to go for. Okay, let's and it's the first tutorial. I will try to make other tutorials. 1 minute. Where is my face? Okay, this is the first video, like basic tutorials. Next I'll start with little bit advanced. I'll try to create some simple chairs with basic models, and you can then going forward. I'll just try to do the UV mapping, texture for the simple objects. Just give your comments, anything you like, I will help you. And hey, thanks, please subscribe. I don't have much subscriber. Please subscribe and tell your friends and share this video. If you want any other language like Kannada, I'll try to do in Kannada also, like India, Karnataka. I'm living in Karnataka, so if you like in Kannada videos, I'll do it. Let's start. This is my first video. Tomorrow I'll do again, continue on this. I'll take the same scene, and I'll just continue. Okay, thank you, bye friends, and please subscribe. Thank you. This is my first video live, so if it's something wrong, please don't be angry. Okay, hi friend, one chat. Okay, something, no problem. I have one chat, no subscribers, sorry for that. Then I'll stop here, so I'll go for